Hello, today I will show you how to download videos from Facebook without watermark or logo. First you open the Facebook page. In the video you want to download, select this three-dot icon and then select copy link. Next, you open the page https://getvidfb.com. Paste the video link into the input box. Click download and wait a few seconds. Select the video download format here and wait a few more seconds. The video is downloaded to your computer. Do the same on your phone to download the video to your phone. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below.